Optionality or choice overload is one of the most significant problems we have to deal with in our generation. And this is one of the things that would make people irrelevant if they don't know how to overcome it early enough. In our day, you find that what we have as a basic, the kings of 500 years ago did not have them. I mean, there were no kings with electricity. Hope you know, Sha. 500 years ago. There were no kings with cars. WC, you flush the toilet and then all of that is washed away. There were no such things 500 years ago, 400 years ago. And these were kings, right? In fact, 300 years ago in some places. But you find that we have more people who are unhappy in our time than in those olden days. You have more people who are depressed. You kind of find people expressing depression. One small thing, the other small thing, they say, I'm depressed. So I began to ask, what could be the reason for this stuff? And then I discovered that there is this thing called choice overload that we have to deal with in our generation. It's also called optionality.